We first broke you the story on mytwintears.com, a frightening start to Bank Employees Day as the Elmira firefighters were called to 150 Lake Street for a report of carbon monoxide in that building you see. When firefighters arrived, they measured a concentration of 850 parts per million of carbon monoxide. A concentration of 1,200 units per thousand is considered lethal. The cause was a defective furnace. We did get to catch up with the Elmira Fire Department to talk about why this situation happened.
Fortunately, somebody pulled the fire alarm at the advice of our fire secretary. Somebody had called in and said, hey, listen, we've got people getting sick and I'm not sure how to evacuate this building, and they were advised.
Again, that building was evacuated and employees were sent home. Firefighters spent about 3 hours venting the building. It will not be reopened until repairs are made to the furnace.